everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Dose with Alia Mehar. Before we begin, take 1 second. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss your daily English practice. It really helps our small community grow. Today, we're doing something simple but powerful. We're going to speak English while doing our daily household chores. Folding clothes, washing dishes, sweeping, cooking, organizing. Because real fluency happens in the moments we don't even notice. You don't need a book, you don't need a class, you just need your daily routine and a little English with it. If you ever thought, I'm too busy to practice English, where should I find time to improve? Today's lesson will change that forever. Because chores are the perfect time to improve your speaking. You're already moving. Your mind is already active. And when your hands are busy, your brain learns English faster and naturally. And I want you to think of one thing today. You don't need perfect English. You just need daily English. A few sentences here, a few sentences there. And slowly, you become confident without even realizing it. Today's session is a mix of simple sentences you can say while cleaning, useful phrases while organizing or cooking, daily reminders to help you think in English, and speaking practice you can follow along with me. So as you listen, don't just hear me. Repeat after me. Say the sentences loudly if you can, or whisper if people are around. But do speak. Your voice matters. And remember, every day you practice, even for 5 minutes, your English grows a little stronger. Your confidence grows a little deeper. And your dream of speaking fluently gets a little closer. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready for a simple, natural, everyday English practice that fits into your real life. Let's begin. Let's speak English while doing our chores. Together. Sentence 1. I'm folding the clothes. Repeat. I'm folding the clothes. Short tip. Keep it simple. Daily actions build your fluency. Sentence 2. I need to sort the clean clothes. Repeat. I need to sort the clean clothes. See? You're practicing while working. That's smart learning. Sentence 3. I'm washing the dishes right now. Repeat. I'm washing the dishes right now. Sentence 4. These dishes need a good scrub. Repeat. These dishes need a good scrub. Scrub doesn't exist. Scrub means to clean hard with force. Sentence 5. I'm wiping the table. Repeat. I'm wiping the table. Sentence 6. Let me clean this spot properly. Repeat. Let me clean this spot properly. Every sentence you speak builds your natural English tone. Sentence 7. I'm sweeping the floor. Repeat. I'm sweeping the floor. Sentence 8. I need to mop this area. It's a bit dirty. Repeat. I need to mop this area. It's a bit dirty. Use sweep for dry cleaning, mop for wet cleaning. Take a moment. Breathe. You're doing really well. If you've spoken all 8 sentences with me so far, I want you to know something. You're already improving. Most people wait for perfect timing to start learning English, but you didn't wait. You used the moment you had right now, and that is what creates real fluency. Your effort matters. Your consistency matters. And even if it feels small today, these tiny habits become big confidence later. And hey, I'm proud of you for choosing yourself today, for choosing to grow, for choosing to speak, even if it feels a little strange at first. This is how English becomes natural. Before we continue, make sure you're following the channel if you haven't already. I upload daily speaking practice, repeat after me lessons, and simple English for real life, and I don't want you to miss any of it. And remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a fancy accent. You just need daily English, a little practice, and a heart that's willing to try. All right, ready for more? Let's keep speaking English while doing your chores. You're doing amazing. Let's continue. Sentence 9. I'm cutting the vegetables. Repeat. I'm cutting the vegetables. Sentence 10. I'll start cooking after this. Repeat. I'll start cooking after this. Talking while cooking helps you think in English automatically. Sentence 11. I'm organizing my things. Repeat. I'm organizing my things. Sentence 12. This place needs a little decluttering. Repeat. This place needs a little decluttering. Decluttering means removing extra things, a very natural English word. Sentence 13. I'm cleaning the sink. Repeat. I'm cleaning the sink. Sentence 14. Let me rinse this area. Repeat. Let me rinse this area. Rinse means wash with water only, without soap. Sentence 15. I'm taking out the trash. Repeat. I'm taking out the trash. Sentence 16. I need a new trash bag. Repeat. I need a new trash bag. Short action sentences goes to natural daily English. Sentence 17. I'm boiling the water. Repeat. I'm boiling the water. Sentence 18. I'm making some tea for myself. Repeat. I'm making some tea for myself. Speaking while doing tiny tasks trains your mouth easily. Sentence 19. I'm finishing my chores one by one. Repeat. I'm finishing my chores one by one. Sentence 20. I feel good when everything is clean. Repeat. I feel good when everything is clean. Your English gets better with everyday life, not just textbooks. You did amazing today. You didn't just clean your space, you trained your mouth, you trained your brain, and you told yourself, yes, I can speak English every single day. That's the real win. If you repeated the sentences with me, if you spoke even a little bit louder than yesterday, If you stayed till the end, I'm honestly proud of you. Before you go, let me remind you, fluency is not built by studying for 3 hours. Fluency is built by using English in real life while doing the tiny, boring, daily things like chores. And today, you did that beautifully. Now, I want to ask you something. Tell me in the comments, which chore do you usually do every day? Is it dishes, sweeping, folding clothes, or maybe cooking? Just write one line. I really want to know. And if you want, tell me. Should we do a speak English while cooking lesson? Or speak English while getting ready in the morning? Your ideas help me create better lessons for you. If today's practice helped you, please like the video, share it with one friend, and subscribe to Daily English Dose so you never miss a new session. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take care of yourself, keep your heart light, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Write one word in the comments. Which chore did you do today? Dishes, laundry, floor, cooking, cleaning, anything. Bye for now, and keep speaking English every day.